2016, the election of Donald Trump is probably one of the phenomena that is actually a result of the failures of globalization. How would you describe coming into that situation?
So I would describe it less as a failure of globalization, but a failure by America to distribute the benefits of globalization. Because when he was elected, there was this kind of mythologized community of people who so-called, and it's actually, I mean, it's right that they feel they've been left behind. In America, all the benefits of globalization have been concentrated in big multinationals and in the big metropolitan cities, Boston, New York, Silicon Valley, for example. So there was a failure to use tax policy, whatever else, to redistribute the benefits of globalization. And that, I think, certainly led to his election. Yeah. I don't think Biden will drastically change America, which is a worry in itself. I think he'll kind of restore the old order. So I'm not wholly convinced of that either. And I think many of the things that are erupting in America will continue.
So if I understand correctly, the old elites are coming back to power, and probably the reasons for Trump being elected like 4 years ago were not really properly taken care of. Yeah,
they haven't been solved. Yeah, that's and actually they've been made worse because America is actually more unequal now than it was. So that's true. So I think all that is true, and I think Biden's got a very good foreign policy team, but it's not as clear as to who his economics team will be, and that's a concern because that's the area they need to work most on. So I think a Biden presidency will actually do well to repair relations with other countries, but I'm not sure that they have a team in place yet to radically change its economy.